Hey guys, Casey here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this 2018 Forest River Wildwood. This is a pre-owned unit that we have here in stock. Again, it's the Forest River Wildwood. It's a 25 RKS, 25-foot model with a lot of stuff inside of it. Up front, you've obviously first got the power tongue jack, which is almost a necessity anymore. It's got the bigger tanks on it already, two 7-gallon propane tanks. Coming around the side, you'll see that it's pre-wired for solar, so you can set up and plug in a portable solar panel. You've got great storage up here in the front, full pass-through, nice big door on this side. The door on the other side is a little bit smaller, but still plenty of capacity and a door big enough to put lots of stuff in there. You've obviously got a nice full-length, almost full-length power awning. Coming back around here to the back, not a lot back here. We got your spare tire back here on the back, where it's easy to get to. This is very nice. Your hot water heater and your heater output are on the back of the trailer. A lot of them put it here on the camp side of the trailer. This trailer's put it back in the back, so if you are camping and have the furnace going, you're not blowing hot air right into your camp spot. It's also got electric leveler jacks, or stabilizer jacks rather. So let's go inside and take a look. Walking in, you've got the new solid step. These are so nice, very firm fitting. Got a bigger top step for a nice landing coming out, so it's not going to fall out. You got the nice big grab handle here. I call it the margarita handle. Not going to fall out of this trailer. Once you get inside, this trailer opens up really, really nice. You've got nice opposed seating, a nice big U-shaped horseshoe dinette, so you can pack a lot of people around there. You've got a nice couch over here, so if it is cold and rainy outside and you want to all pile in your trailer, this is the one for it. And again, this is only a 25-foot model trailer. This sofa is just a jackknife sofa, so it folds down flat, so it is an extra sleeping, but you've also got one nice big drawer underneath. Lots of storage spots under there. Your dinette is going to fold down into a bed as well, with storage underneath here. You got a drawer here, which is very nice. This side, no drawer, but still storage underneath. Back here in the kitchen, you've got nice pantry space, plenty of storage for all your goodies. Those are nice and deep too, and very tall. You can fit a box of cereal or taller stuff up there. Up here on top of the fridge, bags of chips, bread, what have you. Nice big double door fridge and freezer. You've got the nice glass smooth top stove top. Gives you extra counter space if you're not using the stove, but nice 3-burner stove with the oven. A lot of counter space here. This is solid surface with nice solid matching sink covers. Nice double sink in there with a really nice faucet. This thing comes across so you can fill a pot, boil some corn, what have you. Up here you've got very nice cabinetry, nice glass inserts, little shelf in here so you can put your bowls and stuff down there, and maybe some cups up on top. So just a lot of nice storage. Nice stainless steel microwave. So that's the kitchen. Coming back here into the front of the trailer, you've got a nice entertainment area here. It doesn't have a TV, but this is where you could mount a TV if you wanted. You've got a couple charging ports there, so USB plugs off of the battery. You can keep your cell phone or a tablet or any other electronic device charged at all times. Your control center is here, up off the ground, out of the way. If you've got little kids, somebody that likes pushing buttons, they're up here where they can't get to them. Plus you've got a remote here. This remote's going to turn on some of your lights. It's going to run your stabilizer jacks, and I believe it runs your awning as well, and your slide out. Very nice. If you're in a tight campground, you can stand outside and use your remote to put your slide out so you can make sure you're not going to run into any trees or anything. Nice little coat rack there. Bathroom is a nice sized bathroom. Nice corner shower with a nice little sink and medicine cabinet. And then up front here in the bedroom, it's got a very nice open bedroom. It is private, but still very nice size. You've got nice hanging wardrobes on either side, and a nice shelf up here. You can fold stuff up. It's got the nice MCD roller shades, windows on both sides so you can get plenty of airflow. Plus you've got a vent above. There's a nice mattress in here, and the bed of course lifts up. This one kind of unique. gives you access into your pass-through storage, but it's also got this little cutout here, so whether you're just throwing suitcases in there or a place to put your shoes, you know, keep them up out of the way, or get a couple little totes or something to keep up in there. Anyway, yeah, again, my name is Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. I'd look forward to hearing from you. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Talk soon.